Introduction. A chessboard has 8 rows and 8 columns. Can you tell the total number of blocks in the board? Yes, we can calculate by multiplying both the numbers. Let's study about multiplication. Objectives. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to understand multiplication facts, do multiplication by multiplies of 10, multiply 2 and 3 digits number. We start with some multiplication fact. Any number multiplied by 0 is always equals to 0. A number multiplied by 1 is equal to the same number. Example, 5 multiplied by 0 is 0. 5 multiplied by 1 is 5. The multiplication tables are based on the multiplication facts of different numbers. The multiplication table of 2 to 9 is displayed on the screen. Multiply and click the correct answer. Let us look at some examples of verbal multiplication. Jennifer buys 2 dozens of eggs for 36 rupees. How many eggs did she buy? We know 1 dozen equals to 12. Therefore, 2 dozen will be equal to 24. Thus, Jennifer bought 24 eggs for 36 rupees. Drag the right answer in the blanks. I do not know the multiplication table of 15. No, but I can make the table of 15 with the help of tables of 5 and 10. Look at tables of 5 and 10. Now add the two numbers in the green boxes. We get the table of 15. Dinah makes 10 pearls necklace in 1 day. In 20 days, she will make how many necklaces? We need to multiply 10 with 20. Step 1. Multiply the numerals without zeros. 2 multiplied by 1 is equal to 2. Step 2. Count and add the number of zeros toward the right side of the answer. In this case, we have 2 zeros. Thus, the final answer becomes 200. Let us multiply 144 by 43. Start multiplication from ones place. 3 times 4 are 12. Write 2 in the ones place and carry the 1 forward to the tens place. Multiply 3 from the number on tens place, that is, 4 equals to 12, and add 1 which was carried forward, that is equal to 13. Write 3 in the tens place and carry the 1 forward to the hundredth place. Multiply 3 with the number on the hundredth place and add 1 which was carried forward. We write 4 in the hundredth place. Now add a 0 on ones place and multiply 4 from the number on ones place. 4 times 4 is 16. Write 6 in tens place and carry the 1 forward to the hundredth place. Multiply 4 with the number 4 on the tens and add 1 which was carried forward. Write 7 in the hundredths place and carry the 1 forward to the thousands. Multiply 4 with the number 1 on hundredths and add 1 which was carried forward. Write 5 in the thousands place. Now add the two values. We get 6,192. So, 144 multiplied by 43 is 6,192. Multiply the following and click the correct answers. Now we will multiply 247 and 38 by lattice algorithm. We will multiply the numbers one by one and write answers in this box. Write tens in tens box and ones in ones box. Firstly, multiply 2 and 3. Answer is 6. Write ones in lower box and tens in upper box. Then multiply 4 by 3. 4 threes are 12. Write answer in the box. Now 7 threes are 21. Similarly, 8 twos are 16. 8 fours are 32. And 8 sevens are 56. Now start at the bottom and add down the diagonal strips. Write 6 as it is. 2 plus 5 plus 1 is 8. 6 plus 3 plus 2 plus 2 is 13. We get a 2-digit answer, so we just write 3 below and carry 1 in the next strip. 1 plus 6 plus 1 is 8. Add 1 carry to the answer, we get 9. And 0 is 0. We get the answer 09386. Thus, we have the answer of 247 into 38 as 9386. Summary. Let us summarize what we have learned. The multiplication facts and tables. Any number multiplied with 0 and 1 gives 0 and the number as answer respectively.